It's another video of the Mazda bongo and the roof motors not working. So on the bongo, if you've got your engine running and your handbrake up, you must have the handbrake light on the dash and then started, and then if you press the button and it's beeping, it doesn't open up. It's normally your motors that are knackered. So first thing you need to do, put a strap, and this, you can pick these up from Halfords. Just put a strap over the roof. You see this one here? Just put it over the roof and down through and onto there. Now this will stop the roof from sliding forward. It's on gas struts, so when you undo the bolts at the back to get to the motors, it will push the roof forward, and if you haven't got the straps on there, it will be a right pain to put it back. So how to get to the motors: you've got a little cover there on your bongo, and take the rear light out. There's a locating pin up there, and the same on the passenger. See the holes? Now you will need a long reach. Let me just turn the brightness up on my phone quickly. You will need a long reach 12mm socket to get to those. So once you've undone them, that is what they look like. Just two of those. Once you've undone those, and it's just getting up onto the side and prising up this. So you don't want to prise it up too much, just enough so you can get your hand in there. And when you get your hand in there, if you can see, let me just show you. You see the motors? Just about. Oh, there you go. Right, so that's your motors. And you've got Allen keys to undo it with. So once you've undone the Allen keys, the motor itself, which is there, will drop out. And look at the state of them. I mean, they've probably been in there from, from when the vehicle was made, so they're old. They're old motors. You're talking like 20 years old, these motors, and they get full of water and they just break. So it's just a case of now undoing those. They should drop out. You disconnect it, put the other motor back in there, drop down. I mean, I've got two bits of wood in there just prising up the roof. Once you replace your motors, you've got the, I don't know if you can see this, you've got a locating pin. Try not to, if you're going to jack the roof up, that locating pin needs to be sat still in the roof, because once you pull it out, it'll be a pain to locate it back in there and pull the roof back down. Okay, and once you replace your motors on both sides, tighten it back up, start the vehicle up, handbrake up, press the rocker switch in the roof, and your roof should start opening. Now some of these motors that you take out are salvageable. All depends how technically minded you are. You can take them all apart and recondition them, but if you're unaware of doing any of that, just go online and buy some new motors. There's lots of bongo specialists out there that sell second-hand motors which are pretty good. Okay, thank you very much for watching.